How to create custom gestures with Assistive Touch on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Touch, then select Assistive Touch. If Assistive Touch isn't already enabled, turn on the toggle at the top. Now, scroll down and tap Create New Gesture. On the gesture screen, tap, swipe, or combine multiple touches to record the custom gesture you'd like to use. When you're finished, tap Stop in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Save, enter a name for your gesture, and tap Save again. And that's it. You've successfully created and used a custom gesture with Assistive Touch on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and accessibility tutorials.